Good morning. Today, starting off our day with some quiet weather. You can see things are looking pretty quiet for us right now. No snow flying by our sky cam, and just a nice quiet start to our day today. We do have a little bit of snow on the way, but overall it is looking like a quieter week and one that may feature a little bit warmer weather as we head further into the week. And today is not so bad. To start off this morning in the Southern Valley especially, we're into the teens and some low 20s. In Fargo though, 7 degrees right now, so feeling a little chilly, and 3 in Grand Forks, and the farther north and west you go, the colder it gets. So it's 4 below right now in Langdon. So again, a little milder down to the south. Your visibility looks pretty good. We've actually gone up a couple of miles here in Bemidji as far as visibility is concerned, so a little bit better off there. And your wind speeds are light. We're looking at winds that are up to 12 miles per hour, and that's it here this morning. So some light conditions, wind coming in out of the east here this morning, or out of the west rather, heading east. And your radar and satellite map pretty quiet as well. Some areas of cloud cover, other places where things are looking nice and clear. So the morning starting off nicely on your Monday. That's a nice contrast to last Monday when we had that storm system impact us. We're looking at quieter weather and conditions that are going to cool down a little bit more before they start to rise, those temperatures. And we'll end up with some mostly sunny skies, at least for the first half of the day. Heading into the noon hour, we'll start to see some clouds build in this morning up to the north, and perhaps a few flurries under those clouds as well. This is noon again. We're looking at some sun south and east from there, and then gradually more clouds try to build in and more spotty snow showers, light snow showers underneath these clouds. This afternoon, temperatures teens to 20 for your high today in the valley. Most of us, though, into the teens. That wind coming in out of the south. A look at your 7 o'clock time frame. We're looking at some conditions that are more cloudy and some spotty areas of snow still continuing, transitioning more eastward as we continue into the evening hours. Again, this is very light, but if you get caught up in one of these snow showers, your visibility is going to be reduced, and it might coat a couple of those road surfaces here heading into the day today. Tonight, this clears out. We're looking at some pretty quiet weather heading into the overnight hours, mostly clear skies overnight, and into Saturday morning, some clouds start to develop, or rather Tuesday morning with some clouds start to develop. I'm thinking ahead to some milder weather on Saturday, and conditions will be a little bit on the chilly side Tuesday and heading into Wednesday. So looking at your Tuesday planner, I've got our wind chills on here because we've got some colder air coming up for the day, and some wind chills that are going to be tough heading into Tuesday night, tomorrow night. So this is noon. We're looking at temperatures at that point that really aren't too bad in the south, but up to the north we're still below zero up along the Canadian border, and we're looking at conditions where actually we're going to see some numbers dipping through the day up in the northern valley. So Tuesday is going to be our cold day, and into Wednesday morning as well. You can see our wind chills as we head into the nighttime hours for Tuesday night do start to drop. Those of us in the south more into the teens below zero, and those of us up north into the 20s to even 30s below by 11 o'clock Tuesday night, with that northerly breeze blowing in that colder air. Not much of a wind, but 5 miles per hour does have an impact on how it feels. And your air temperatures themselves are going to be pretty chilly as well. So heading into the overnight hours Tuesday night and into early Wednesday, we're looking at some numbers that are going to be rather cold. 5 below for Wednesday morning, though we could see those numbers drop even more than that, as we just saw in our forecast model there. And continuing into the rest of the week, I mentioned Saturday earlier. That's going to be our warm day of the week. It is looking quite nice, a high of 29 degrees on Saturday. So if we can hold on to that, tailgaters are going to be doing all right here, at least better off than last Saturday. And temperatures heading into the rest of the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all into the 20s coming up here. So conditions are looking pretty good for the end of the week. A little tougher here to start off the week, especially tomorrow and into early Wednesday.
All right, glad to see it getting better. Thank you, Lisa. A bed is an important tool when it comes to being healthy, which is one of the reasons why the Fargo-Moorhead Slumberland is hoping to gift 73 local kids a brand new place to sleep. We'll give you more on that coming up next.